right? So those a work order will be created. Work order will be created, okay. Something like this in the pending of all status, yeah. So once we completed that SOS worker, then the worker will go under work order, right? That once you fill in all the details for that worker, yes, this work order is something like this will be created. Depending on the status you open that work order, you go to the Activity Items tab, and you complete all the listed activity, okay? And we need to submit this. You need to upload all the documents. Once you have completed all the activity items, that says supplier account, right? Okay, then we'll reach out to the verified team in ADNOC once they approve. You will go to the contract admin for approval once he approves. The integration team will then upload the HSC passport in here under attachment number. Number will be updated in here. The HSC passport can be downloaded from here. Okay, so if you have I need to do 1 or 2 times, then we will, yes, clarity. We get clarity about this, correct. And what I would request you for now, if you can access wireless from this orange, right now we are using this account, sir, but the session. We started to create a new account actually for me it has been created, right? But it is not opening, yeah. So this tile C in here, you see this is the application gateway tile. This tile is not visible for you, and there should be 2 links. Yeah, so that's the reason. We are raising a ticket with the Arabic team, okay? So what you do for now? You start onboarding all the documents for this worker that I have done the upload for, okay? Okay, sir, okay. And later, once you have time, you just open that you can schedule at any time, sir. No problem, you can schedule next. You can arrange a next schedule. Then from that next schedule, we can get all the clarity. I think, sir, away, sir, sir, away, sir. Is there any doubt, please, sir? Is there any doubt, sir? No. Actually, there is a small thing. This is a vase here. There is small thing, okay. The as per my understanding for even the offshore active implies. The active implies are available in seat system. So the data will not migrate, right? Data will not migrate. So what in that case? What you will need to do when you will onboard them in the year. Through the statement of work, okay. Wait, okay, right. So from here, when you will try to onboard them actions SOW. No, but actually, no, I got this point, this I can understand, but the problem is that the existing active employees are not showing in this Fieldglass system, that's correct. Either we can add 1 by 1 or otherwise. The second option we will send you what is that? Excel sheet in data gathering, that Excel sheet correct, and you will upload. Then this guy will show. And then next action we can do. Right, correct, exactly so. I would suggest in the same, that you share the data with me in that Excel sheet, and I'll do the uploads. Let's say if you have if they are less than 50 in the count the workers, then in that case, you need to do it by your own 1 by 1. Actually, we have we have around 400 to 500 people. Those have optimum number. So those have existing optimum number. So with that, guys, we will share the Excel file, and once you will upload that Excel file, then we can see these guys here in the Fieldglass, and then we can go for the next action that will be, we will upload the documents and whatever. But one more thing we have some implies there, Optima is under process. We already requested for Optima, but we haven't received, and after that the system is blocked, we cannot, that product will be decommissioned. So in that case, I would suggest you can also add them in the Excel sheet. Okay, all right, but during this data transfer, these guys will still stay active, right? So we can arrange their travel book. They will be active, of course. All right. We got your point, VJ, there is no issue. Just start gathering the data in the same sheet. Yeah, sure, sir, that the same sheet. We will fill the data by today and we will share. So the guys will be okay, sure. And we will. So, sir, if we will share by today evening, so you will, when you will upload, I will do the uploads by tomorrow. Yeah, all right. But sir, do it on priority, actually. We have one shutdown is going to start at Dusk Island, and some of our guys got stuck. Because of that, we are unable to got their optimum number in seat system. So if you will. No. So what happened in that case? Let's say they have the optimum number available, right? And when you try to onboard them through this manual process, there is this Optima number field, where you just put the Optima number in here. Okay, and click on it, right? So what happens once you, sorry, sir. In that data gathering sheet, we didn't saw that Optima number, okay. You can just add a column. Call it up, yeah, okay, and email, okay. And yeah, sir, I'll take it from there, yeah. Okay, Sir VJ, this is yours. Yeah, this is my screen only, okay? So can you please start from that? If you will try to search with any optimum number, if it's showing here or not, no, it won't show, because none of them are in approved status. So no, I don't think any of them. Because the activity items are still pending. Actually, all of the activity is pending. But the problem is that is onshore, guys. They don't have even Optima, so that we are sure we have around 400 to 500 people. Those have existing Optima, and they are active in the system. So I was thinking that's right. So that's right, so once we will share the data, then that guy will be shown here in the system, right? So once you share the data with me, I'll do the uploads, okay? They will also be under the pending approval status. Okay, so you need to individually go into the work order and complete the activity items for all of the workers. So one more, sir. If it shows that pending approval, the employee can be travel or not, sir, to offshore. So if they have the Optima pass, then yes. Optima, then he can travel. Yeah, oh, okay, BJ. Now you understand how to search with Optima. For example, for assume. So you are going to the people someone is existing with optimum number. So you can start searching with optimum number. You got the point, yeah. 1 second, sir, 1 second, yeah. Yeah, I got the point. But here Optimus number search for 4. It's not showing any search box for Optimus. That is the issue, sir, no. So this, yeah, that's not possible actually here, yeah. The moment you shared the data with me, you can just do some kind of lookup or something that you have existing data. Yeah, and then you can search from there, yeah. Because this data that you shared, there was no optimum number for any of the users, right? Right, but with the searching option, there's check-in box or something. Search item should be show there. So there we can search with that optimum number set. So in fields it's not available, because the optimal numbers were not shared. For all these workers, yeah? All right, got it, I got your point. But once we will give you the data, so where that optimal number will show, there is some problem right here. I mean, okay. In that case, I can help you with something called a report, okay, and you can go to the walk order in yesterday's email, the Optimum Help Desk sent. There was one, what is that instructions, was showing there so open that instructions, in that instruction, there was 3 option 1 for the existing employees. You can search with Optima or add some Optima number. You have to that read it, so Mr. Kuldeep can understand our requirement. Yeah, what you were looking for. Oh, okay, 1 second, sir, Mr. Khalid. This is working 1 second. I will, once he completed it, I will show, that email ID, yeah? Yeah, not email. Yes, the email instructions, sorry. Yeah, instructions, I will share that.